Is up mga kateksya? For today's video mga katekshop, I have here Vivo U3. Problem is if you turn on the phone and it's gonna keep on showing the Vivo logo, shuts off, then go back to Vivo logo and then shut off, and it's been repeating until it drains the battery. So if you're interested in this video mga tip shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and disassemble the phone. Let's remove the SIM card tray, and for this model we'll need to remove the two screws at the bottom, and then once you remove it, we should be able to pry the back cover, but don't separate the back cover yet. We'll need to deattach the fingerprint flex cable. Remove the screws. And after removing all the screws on this top cover, we will have access to the power switch, battery, LCD flex cable, and the charging flex cable. So I did a troubleshooting. I removed the battery and plug it back again, and then when I felt that it's turning on, I deattach the power switch. So since it's doing the same thing, still showing Vivo logo, it shuts off, and that means it's not the power switch that is, it's not the power switch that's it's the problem. I tried a different battery, turned it on, and was able to boot up properly. So meaning battery is the problem. So for Android phones mga ka-tech shop, the usual cause of the problem is for this problem is the fuse of the battery. So you can try removing that fuse, the black one, and then just replacing it with a solder. The usual cause for this problem is when you drop the phone, it's gonna damage the particular component. So you just have to replace it with a new fuse or just a solder. Alright, looking good. Let's go ahead and test it first before putting it back to the phone. Alright, and it boots up properly, then we should be able to assemble the phone. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel mga Shop, and check the links on the description. So let's go.